Toronto had firmly arrived on the world's tech scene.
The fourth largest tech market in all of North America.
What we're doing in Canada is making sure that there is room for everyone to succeed.
Toronto is having a moment.
We are building an ecosystem. The Silicon Valley's been around for 50 plus years. This isn't going to happen overnight.
I believe the culture of Silicon Valley drove others to a business model that is incredibly destructive. Let's not just sleepwalk into a world where technology authoritarianism governs our choices.
Technology is all around us. We are constantly being surveilled.
Responsible data use is one of the biggest social issues of our time.
We have to balance the privacy responsibility.
You can't lose sight. Technology is great, but it's about people.
We don't come together as a people, the world will end right in front of us.
Because if we don't succeed together, we're all going to fail separately.